everyone. I'm Nicole, the Client Success Manager at Lemoore.
And I'm Stephanie Prestige, part of the education team at Lemoore.
We hope that we have sound going this time. We just started our live and we are back in the stream. Katrina, give us an update and let us know if we're able to have you hear our beautiful voices now. Today we're talking about facial massage, specifically with the Esse skincare system.
Yep, beautiful system here. I even brought the facial massage cream with us today, seeing how it's topic of the day. But yeah, today we are getting ready to talk about what we are doing next week.
Yes, on Tuesday morning, we always host from 10 to 11 our Estes and their Besties networking call. And the topics rotate, and the education topic comes up once a month. The focus next week is exciting because there's a live demo. And I'm even the model. Makes it even more exciting for me. And Stephanie will be demonstrating some of her techniques, which I'm really excited to see and experience. So the registration for that is open on our learning center at lemoore.com. We'll include the link in the description of this call. And for today's conversation, let's talk a little bit about why we offer facial massage in a professional skin therapist setting.
Yeah, it's a really good question, and you know, first thing to talk about it is touch in general. Over a very long period of time, this is not new. Even way before COVID, before the pandemic, there was a lot of research out about how touch deprived we are of positive touch. Even think about it, if you go into a public place and somebody bumps you, what do you do?
Right, back up right away.
We like close off, we back up, we say we're sorry.
In Canada we do, yes.
Yes, exactly. We back up, we say we're sorry. It's like offensive to bump a person. So we are so used to and growing up and trained that way to not have much touch at all, and yet we need it. Like, as human beings, we need positive touch.
Right. I remember I took a childhood development course back in college, and that was part of it, that physical touch is actually one of our needs biologically to develop.
Absolutely. And like, even for adults, like, having massage and a treatment also affects our good hormones. Like, it affects endorphins, serotonin, dopamine levels. And those are different things that make us feel calmer, make us feel happy, are also hormones that help with lowering anxiety and depression. So, like, to have massage and a treatment, yes, it feels amazing, but there's so much more that it's doing for our health, not just, oh, I had a massage during my facial. Like, that's why clients seem so much more calm and at ease after a treatment if some form of massage has been incorporated.
Right.
So it's fascinating. So yeah, that's where Esse has developed facial massages, but they go with that research, but they go even more than that. They even look at like your skin health and lymphatic drainage for the skin tissue, and we get to play with tools next week with the facial too, which will be a lot of fun.
So how do you know, as a skin therapist, which massage technique to choose for the client you're working with?
Learn lots. Let's start there. As estheticians, you need to learn a lot. So do come Tuesday. You need to learn new techniques. We need to have a bunch of different techniques to be able to customize. And that's the important part. We learn in school European facial massage, usually the start. That's great for dry skin, mature skin. But then if somebody's dealing with acne, that might not be the best. If somebody is inflamed and their skin's irritated, that might not be the best choice. You're better to go towards lymphatic drainage or pressure point style massages. So by having different kind of massages, you better customize. It makes you a more well-rounded skin therapist.
And I think that's really aligns well with the Esse system and the concept when you've introduced this line in your spa.
Yeah, I absolutely agree. And also, you know, with Esse's focus of full skin ecosystem, and that not one ingredient fits all. I think that should be massage too. Not one massage fits all. So to have a well-rounded repertoire you can pull from, you're going to do a much better job for their skin health and their health as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we've looked at the massage cream. Is that the main product focus for this line when it comes to the facial massage protocols?
Yes and no. Yes, that's going to give you slip and glide when you have techniques like European massage movements, Swedish massage that needs slip and glide. But we also have oils. We also have Protect oil that can be used, and other ones you could work with, even your serums. If you're doing lymphatic drainage, you can put a serum on the skin to help it penetrate and get in better. So
really that two-sided approach. It's not just the product, it's not just the technique, but how they are working synergistically, I guess.
Yeah, absolutely. Awesome. Yeah, and that's a big thing now, is we need to have more massage in all treatments in this industry, because like I said, this research has been ongoing forever, but it also helps stimulate the organ. Like, it's stimulating your skin organ as well when you massage. It is stimulating happy, good, healthy hormones in the body as well. And we're even more touch deprived now because of pandemic. Absolutely. We're staying further apart. We're being more cautious of things like that. So massage in all skin treatments should be a vital part of the treatments in the industry.
Yeah, I think we can link some of those studies. I know you shared them with me, and let's include some in the comments of this live. And along with, as I mentioned before, the link to join us on Tuesday morning. So that will be at 10 o'clock Tuesday. It's virtual, so you can join. It's 10 a.m. Eastern Time. You can join from anywhere. Most of you are connecting with us here in Canada, since that's the clients we're working with, but we welcome guests from anywhere who are watching. You'll be able to ask questions. Stephanie and I will have our mics available then to answer your questions, chat with you, and share more about how you can use these techniques in your own practice.
Nice.
So thanks for joining us today, and we hope to see you again first this Tuesday, and then again next Friday. I think I'll be live with you next Friday too. The canoe trip is a long one this time.
Yep.
It's Bonnie and Will and their families, Tim, their longest canoe trip yet. So we look forward to having some updates on that as well. And hope